Creeds are brief formulas of faith that make it possible for all believers to make a common profession. Hello my dear friends, greetings of peace. Welcome to our online catechesis. Last time I shared to you question number 25 from Youth Catechism of the Catholic Church. The question was, why does the faith requires definitions and formulas? The answer is, without fixed forms, the content of the faith would dissipate. That is why the Church attaches great importance to definite sentences, the precise wording of which was usually achieved painstakingly so as to protect the message of Christ from misunderstandings and falsifications. Furthermore, creeds are important when the Church's faith has to be translated into different cultures while being preserved in its essentials, because a common faith is the foundation for the Church's unity. Now, I'm going to share to you question number 26, which is connected with question number 25. And the question is, what are creeds? Answer: creeds are brief formulas of faith that make it possible for all believers to make a common profession. Brief formulas of this kind can be found already in the letters of St. Paul. The early Christian Apostles' Creed has a special dignity because it is thought to be a summary of the faith of the Apostles. The Nicene Creed is highly esteemed because it resulted from the great councils of the Church when she was still undivided, like the Council of Nicaea in year 325 and the Council of Constantinople in year 381, and is today's day the common basis for the Christian in the East and the West. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I advise you to share it and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.